Untouchable bought a land. We all know Untouchable comedy. He bought a land there and built a house there. So it happened that all his neighbors and people building having houses there, their house have been demolished. Only his own, but they have given him notice to take whatever he could and evacuate from that land, which he was complaining and crying out for help, begging the state government to help. But that land has been in the courts and it was back and front for many, many years. Each government that come on board will side one party, and once the government go, the other party will start where they stop. So the problem have not yet resolved. But we all need to understand that Igbos have been, marginalized, economic jihad. A lot is going on, sabotaging the economy of Igbo people. Anywhere you go,